My name is Dr. K, all the way from South Africa. If you wish to come and see me in South Africa, I'm always available, but you can get all the numbers are there. The numbers are there. You can take the numbers if you want to do the one-on-one appointment, if you want it privately, but as I will be taking you, you will tell me that no, my brother, you are being too much. I will try by all means to accommodate you in your language. Let's see who are we getting right now. Yes, hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
How are you, my sister?
I'm fine.
Good. Who am I speaking to and where are you calling me from?
You're speaking to Gloria from Ghana.
Gloria from Ghana.
Yes.
Ghana, where about in Ghana, my sister?
I was watching you live on Facebook now.
Yes,
I
I'm
wanted
still.
you to help me.
Yes.
Please, I have problems. So many problems. I need your help.
Okay. My sister, let's try this one. Right now, as I'm talking to you, I will try by all means to accommodate you in English so that you can understand. You were born in 1972 on the 5th of April.
That's very correct. Correct.
Listen to me, my sister. I'm from South Africa. This is what you need to do. Right now, your father, your dad passed away. It was last year, two years back. It was on the 9th of November.
Yes, that is true.
Right. I see here someone here. His name is Frank. Is it your ex-boyfriend or is it your boyfriend?
I was engaged to him. We were supposed to be getting married.
You are supposed to get married.
Yes.
Listen to me. This is what I'm saying here. When I was praying with you, or when you just entered now, I saw a place where I need to take you back. I saw Tamali, Tamali.
Sorry?
Tamali. What is Tamali? Where is Tamali? A village.
Where I was born.
Sorry?
The village where I was born, where I come from.
That is a village where you were born.
Yes.
Okay. Listen here. You need to go to Tamali. This place which is called Tamali. When you go to Tamali back, you need to go and apologize to a certain grave. When you get there, you need to apologize. There are rituals that you need to do. When you do those rituals, there are things that you need to apologize, because your father was running, I don't know whether it's a firm or what, where they are dealing with gold and diamond. Who was dealing with that at home?
Yes, my father was manufacturing bracelets, earrings, and like everything of gold and diamond. You can name it. My father.
Right.
Was.
I saw when you phoned me. Remember, I asked you about Frank. When I saw a Frank, I saw something here. I saw he is half Ghanaian and he's also half Nigerian. The guy that I'm talking about.
Yes.
This guy, you had maybe 1 year dating, but this guy promised to marry you in such a way that you were even brainstormed or you were brainwashed, because right now you are going through depression because your father's business is not doing so well, because this guy, he came in, he said he's going to help you with the business, but he scammed you a lot of money, which is the dollars, thousands of dollars.
Yes. When he came, I thought they were in love with me, and I thought he was gonna be the man. That problem is all the money that I was giving him. It was the money that, like all the money he was giving to me, it was the money that he was taking from my family.
Listen, my sister. Right now, this guy, you are fighting, and I see there are lawyers.
He's fighting me and threatening, like he's doing everything he can to keep everything that does not belong to him. That's why I'm asking for your help.
Yes, I can see I can see that there are attorneys involved. Right now, as I'm talking to you, I see there are attorneys because this guy, he started his own business, which is similar to the one which you are doing, and he's taking all your clients.
He's stealing the clients, he's stealing the suppliers, everything.
Listen, this is what you need to do, ma'am. I will help you because I've seen you've spent so much money trying to pay the private investigators, and also they are taking your money. They are not giving you the results because what you need now, you need to catch this guy.
Nothing is coming together.
Nothing is coming together.
Yes.
Okay, I saw, who is this person called Sapong? Sapong.
That one is my brother.
That is your brother. Sapong.
Yes.
And I saw a surname. The thing is, I don't know whether it's Gumfi, Gyamfi, Gumfi.
The name.
What is it, that surname?
Giancy.
Giancy.
Yes.
Yeah, whose surname is that?
It's mine.
It's yours.
It's my father's name. Yes.
Okay. You need one day, I don't know, you must try to get my WhatsApp number so that you can WhatsApp me. Tell your brother to call me. The one which I said is Sapong. Because when I'm busy talking to you, I see your brother being kidnapped. Because this ex-boyfriend is being threatened or is scared of Sapong. Because Sapong, apparently he made a phone call trying to threaten him. So now this guy is paying people to get rid of him. So you need to tell him to call me as soon as possible because there are things that we need to discuss so that he can be protected.
Yes, I will tell him because they've been fighting and he's been threatening to kill him.
Yeah, so that is why I'm saying, please, by all means, I will pray with you. And I will like to pray also with him so that we can try by all means to see what we can do.
Okay.
Thank you, my sister.
Thank you very much.
All right.